I just use that?
Nothing.
Why are you all up in my business?
Sir?
Your business is my business. Hello?
No, it's not. It really isn't. It really isn't.
I swore I would never wear makeup, and yet here I am filming my very first makeup process video. I still can't believe it. Let me explain how I got here. For most of my life, makeup just wasn't for me. Not because I didn't think it was beautiful on others, it was. But I had this long standing rule: no makeup ever. That stance was something I started as a kid when I was performing in school plays. The stage makeup they used always made my skin react. I'd have breakouts, irritation, the little red bumps, you name it. So from a young age, I decided I don't need makeup. I don't even like it. There's another reason I didn't really care for makeup growing up. I often saw women whose makeup made them look completely different from how they looked naturally. I always knew that if I ever wore makeup, I wanted to still look like me in the mirror. I didn't want to put on makeup and feel like I was looking at a stranger. That was really important to me. So in my 20s, I did play around a little. When Bare Minerals became popular, I got curious. The brand's whole good for your skin message appealed to me because I've always been extremely protective of my face.
Please stop walking in my video.
You're not posting that.
I am.
Don't leave it. Don't touch it.
I didn't want to experience a breakout or reaction to a product on my face. I mean, really. Nobody ever wants to have a breakout or reaction to a product on their face. So my makeup experiments at the time were timid at best. I'd only wear it for special occasions, maybe to church or a night out, but I'd never wear it to work. It just wasn't something I was deeply into the way other women were. For me, makeup was a rare, very intentional thing. Also, I had no idea if I was even doing a good job at it. Then, for my 36th birthday, I decided at the very last minute, and I mean very last minute, to have a birthday dinner with a small group of friends, and I wanted to get my makeup done professionally. So I reached out to a makeup artist I already knew, and she agreed to do my makeup. While I'm sitting in her chair, I decided to ask her some questions, like, how did she get into this? Did she go to school for it? What inspired her? And her answer genuinely surprised me. She didn't go to school for it at all. She learned through trial and error. Sephora runs, Ulta runs, Macy's, YouTube videos, practicing on herself until she got better and better. That flipped the switch for me. It made me wonder, if she could teach herself, couldn't I do the same thing? It's not like I was trying to become a professional makeup artist or anything, but I could at least learn the basics to give myself a regular everyday beat. So I decided right there in her chair, and I don't even think she knows this, and I probably should let her know that she's the one who inspired my journey. But on that day, I decided right then and there in her chair that I was going to learn how to do my own makeup.
I don't mind it.
So the beginning of 2018, I officially started my makeup journey. Every evening, I would leave my office and walk to Grand Central, and I would stop at the Sephora on 60th and Lex.
And it's not that I found somebody, so I'm leaving. My plan is smart. I'm gonna walk away.
I would walk 30 blocks every evening from my office to Grand Central and stopped at the Sephora every evening. And I learned about my undertones, how to choose foundation, what concealer could do, why blush placement was important. I became a regular there, and perhaps maybe a little too regular.
Feels good, feels good.
I'd ask question after question, swatch product after product, and slowly started building my own little collection, okay?
What happened? Oh, doing my makeup.
I just like watching.
You like watching? Okay, you can watch.
Now, years later, I can do my own makeup for any occasion. And for me, it's not about covering up, it's about the artistry and seeing me in the mirror. This was my first attempt at a process video, and I'm proud of it because it represents curiosity, growth, and giving myself permission to try.
Now let's see if I'm gonna post. Oh, this is cute. At least they did it. Just in case I don't post.
So if there's something you've been hesitant to try, maybe this is your sign.
Let me show you the outfit.
Here's the final look. So this is an old shirt from Lumen. Lumen's no longer exists. These pants are by Free People. The curvy line, I forgot the name of these jeans. See-through.